at this time, most firms or a lot of businesses have holiday parties. At these types of parties, it's quite often that free liquor or beer, wine, whatever it may be, is available, and a lot of people do things or drink in a fashion which is uncharacteristic. I've been to holiday parties where people who ordinarily wouldn't be doing shots are sitting there doing shots with their boss because it's a social thing to do. However, at this time of year, a lot of police departments are very well aware of the holiday season. They are in an enhanced, or I guess an increased patrol awareness to go out and try and find people who ordinarily might not find themselves in this situation, can certainly be involved in a DUI accident or involved in a DUI stop. Typically, the reasons why people would pull somebody over, they can pull someone over in Georgia for any traffic offense. However, the majority of DUI cases involve a failure to maintain lane charge, which is weaving. And in Georgia, you don't even have to weave outside the lane of travel. If the officer observes you weaving within the lane of travel, oftentimes that may be enough to allow a traffic stop. Most DUI cases begin, or virtually every DUI case begins, with some sort of traffic offense, which allows the officer the ability to pull your car over. They only need to have what's called reasonable suspicion. What that means is that they need to have some sort of belief that a traffic offense or a criminal activity has taken place. Once that they can articulate or specify a reason for that, it gives them the ability to pull your vehicle over. Once your vehicle is over, an officer typically will walk up to the car, smell some kind of alcohol, maybe notice a manifestation of impairment, bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, unsteadiness once you get out of the vehicle. Typically at this point, most officers are going to ask you to do field sobriety. Field sobriety is voluntary at this point. You don't have to do it. But by doing these field sobriety tests, you're giving the state or giving the police an opportunity to see how well you balance. Well, most of us cannot balance well, or how well you can stand on one leg, or how straight you can walk a line. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do, whether you've had any alcohol, no alcohol, or whether you have any kind of pre-existing medical conditions that can cause it to be difficult to do those things. We would recommend at Head, Thomas, Webb, and Willis not to do those tests because they're voluntary. And most people are not going to perform well, and the scoring system in which the way the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration designed those tests, they're designed to fail. As a result, once you take the test, chances are you will be arrested. Even if you don't take the test, the officer still may decide to arrest you for driving under the influence. At that point, they will read to you the warnings that can tell you whether your license will be suspended. You are then entitled to take your own independent chemical test, but after taking the state's test first. In addition, after doing so, chances are you will be taken to jail, where you'll be booked and have the opportunity to post a bond.